Very good day, students. Today we'll learn the next part of our web application basic. Let us see. So, instant messaging. What do you mean by instant messaging? Instant messaging is the form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission of text-based messages from sender to receiver. I think you all do the conversation, isn't it? In the form of some or the other thing, like in the text form or the audio form or the video form or transferring the file or checking the messages history. By one or the other form you use to message something. Okay, so most instant messaging software include the option for performing the file transfer, audio chat, video calling and conferencing, sharing desktops, etc. Apart from standard text chat, there are various applications available and you are using too, like your WhatsApp is there, Telegram is there, okay, your mail section is there, Facebook is there. Even right now you are using the video conferencing messages like Zoom is there, okay, Microsoft Teams is there, Google Meet, okay, Geo Meet, everything is there, which makes you do instant messaging to your person. Okay, so there are various key features of an instant messaging which are as follows. Like text messages can be sent to one or the more person, similar to SMS, audio calling and conferencing, video calling and conferencing, file transfer not limited to document, spreadsheet, audio file, video file, etc. Message history, save messages for future references. Instant messaging account. Whenever you used to install some of the software, there some means they ask you to make or manage your account, okay, such as Skype. In every instant messaging they will ask you to make an account. Okay, next is instant messaging service. There are two kinds of instant messaging service, that is application based and web based. Application based instant messaging software is download and install on users computer. Some of the popular instant messaging softwares are Google Talk, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger. Okay, web based instant messaging software is accessed using browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Form, etc. Like your Gmail is there. These are web based. Okay, instant messaging with Google Hangouts. Google Hangout was earlier available as an installable application like Gtalk. Hangout provides chatting, voice calls and video calls for free over internet. Okay, right now also it is available. Okay, like these facilities come along with the email accounts. Besides Google Hangouts, Facebook, Instant Messaging, WhatsApp, Skype provide these facilities on different interface. To use Hangouts, log into your Gmail account. You will see your Hangout connection on the right hand side as shown here. Click on the search button to search and send the chatting request to someone who is online. Type the name or email address of the person and press enter key. Now if the person or email address is found, the name and the profile image appear on the left pane and chatting window appears on the right of the window. Here you can start text chatting. Okay, now chatting with a contact with Google Talk. To chat with someone, the person needs to be online. Without online the person, you could not be able to chat with that particular person. Okay, to begin chatting, double click on the contact name as you are doing in WhatsApp or any other communication. You will see that this person is online. Then you have to click on that, double click on that. Then a chat window will open where messages can be typed, sent and seen, and you are ready to type or send your messages. Now chat etiquettes. Messages should be short and to the point. There is some etiquettes which we need to follow. Messages should be short and to the point such that whenever we see the text, we could be able to understand. The long text will not be able to understand to the viewer. Next, always introduce yourself by name. If your name is unknown to the person, then you should introduce by your name first. Okay, if you will not introduce your name, then the person could not identify you by your number. Okay, always ask if the other person has time to chat first, regardless of how important you think what you have to say is. It is not going to be well received by the recipient is busy. you have to think about the recipient, that if it is busy, then you should not talk with him the talks. Okay, you should ask them that if you are not busy, then you can talk with them. In a business environment, know exactly what you want to discuss. Typing your messages in uppercase is extremely rude. It's considered shouting and very aggressive, so type in normal words. Okay, give people time to respond. Multiple questions sent to be a recipient before they would have a chance to answer can seem more like an interrogation rather than a conversation. Now give people time to respond. Wherever possible, give the person you are communicating with your undivided attention. It's not just a sign of respect, but if you have multiple conversation happening, or are allowing other issues to distract you, you may miss an important point in other person's messages or lost the gist of the conversation. So just wait for the conversation to complete by the person and then you start. It's important to properly end an instant messaging conversion. You may think the chat is over, but the other person may not. While you are off doing other things, they may be sitting there staring at the screen waiting for further communication from you. So you should end up with your conversation such that the person could not wait for you. Okay. Now, creating and publishing the web pages, that is blog. What is blog first? Blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical and technical users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar. Blogs is what? Blog is the web page. Okay, you can make the web page. It doesn't need any type of like experience for that. Okay, you can make it in a one go. There is no technical or non-technical user could make. Anyone can make the blogs. Okay, the front part you need to design it. Okay, the back end you did not need to design. Front part you need to design. For why we use blog? We use blog to convey messages for about events, announcement, news, reviews, etc. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires the active internet connection. You can use offline blog software to create content first and later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. There are various 100 types of websites available for blog services for free. That is your WordPress, Blogger, blog.com, weebly.com, blogsome.com. These are the some of the popular blogs which you can use. Okay, for creating the blog account, whenever we are using anything we are using, we need to make our own account, isn't it? So we have to create an account, right? So for that, creating a blog account, first we need to open the browser and then go to the browser like blog link, then click on get started on the top right corner. Right, next, when you log in, you need to when you first time log in or sign in, then you need to first do the registration in that with simple registration, username, password they will ask, and then you need to click on continue. Your email inbox will receive an activation mail from WordPress which you need to confirm by clicking click here to confirm now. Okay, next, fill in the create site form and click on continue. Okay, see, like this it will open. Enter blog address for your site and click on create for free account. Here you have to click. Next, pick a plan that now you need to select the plan. Okay, so just select for free choice and then you are ready to start a new blog. You can add here, like see, you will click on manage from their blog post and you can add up there and you can write whatever the content you want to write. Okay, next, this will take you to the post editor where you mention the title of the post and the content. You can format the content using various controls given on the top toolbar. Okay, there are various type of control. When you will use it, then you can find it. Okay, you can click on the add to insert the audio, video, images and other controls in your page. Once you finish writing your post, click preview to see how your post look like and whether you need further edits in it. Once finalized, click on publish to publish the post on the web. You can decide the publish immediately or any future update. Click on green color publish button. It will show your published page and click on visit site. Your final published post will be displayed which you can share with others as well. Okay, So according to that, you can make your own page. Okay. Now this was we were dealing with the online software. Now if you want to make the offline blog editors, then how you can make? So beside online blog editors, offline blog editors can be used. That can be installed on a computer and you can use them to draft your blog post without having to connect with internet. When your post is finalized, you can connect with internet and publish your final post. So some popular offline blog editors are Windows Live, Writer from Microsoft, Humana, blog desk, blog jet. You can use MS Word to create your blog post too. Okay, if you are using MS Word, then open MS Word 2013, then in the file tab you will go to new option, then under new option select blog post template. Okay, blog post template you need to select, click on create in the pop-up. Then MS Word will ask you to register your online blog once it will ask. Okay, so click on register now, and then when you click on register now, it will ask that where you want to publish your blog. So you just select WordPress. Okay, account you need. Next, working with blog, you can create a new blog post just like you create any Word document with pictures, smart art, shape, clip art. Okay, so publish a new blog post, click publish option in publish drop down in blog group or blog post tab. Okay, the post will be published and update will be displayed on the page, and click on home page options in the blog group of blog post tab will take you to online home page of your blog in the browser. Okay, when in the last time when you need to do what, you need to connect it with internet at that time. Okay, so editing an existing blog post from the blog side in blog group under blog post tab, click on open existing option. Okay, in open existing post dialog box, your online post will be listed. Select the desired post and then click OK. Selected post will be opened. For editing, make changes and publish it again. Okay. Working with Humana. If you are working with Humana, then it can be downloaded and installed from this particular site. Humana makes blogging very easy. You can add pictures, audio, video, images to your blog. MS Word is somehow complicated, but Humana is not so complicated as your MS Word, but you can do. Okay, so how to deal with Humana? You just need to click on start all program, then Humana and Humana, or by clicking Humana shortcut on the desktop. Then on the first start, mention your blog address and add blog wizard, and then click next. It will automatically locate your blog. Okay, this blog is being automatically located. Enter login credential of your blog site and then click next. Then blog on your site will be listed. Select the blog you need to work on and click on finish. Okay, next Humana interface will open up listing your blog post. Editing blog post will there, double click on the one you wish to edit. It will open up the editor and you can edit accordingly. Okay, make changes in your poster editor. You can use formatted toolbar. If you have basic knowledge of HTML, you can insert the content with HTML as well. Okay, publish the blog post. You could be able to publish the blog post now. To publish the changes to your blog site, click on update post button, and Humana will take a while and publish the changes to your online post. Now next session is your online transaction. What is online transaction? While doing the shopping, the person asks you to give to pay the money for that, isn't it? So what you will do, you will pay through the online transaction. Okay, or e-banking. So online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customers can buy or sell goods over the internet. So customers need to have an active internet connection first, and for buying or selling anything, you should have the pay online using the credit card or debit card. So online shopping could be useful in situation when a customer does not have sufficient time to visit stores. Visiting a store is more expensive. A product or service that is not available in local market. Or I think in this time it is very important for us to do the online shopping. Okay, rather than going to the market. Next, some of the popular online transaction websites are IRCTC for booking the flights and tickets, for train tickets, and Flipkart for online shopping portal, eBay an online portal for buying and selling goods, Redbus an online portal for booking bus tickets. To perform an online transaction, all you need is a web browser and active connection, and in some cases where purchasing is involved, you will need a valid credit card, debit card, or net banking subscription. Some websites even allow cash on delivery as well. Okay, so basic online shopping process: user register on the website, user searches for products, user select or reviews or add the products, then user review the cart and finalize the product in the cart. User fill the shipping address where they want that ship to be done. User fill in the online payment details like from the credit card, EMI option, net banking or cash on delivery option. User furnishes the payment and checks out. Website sends SMS or email to the user for acknowledging the payment received and the OTP you will receive. And finally, you need to give that OTP and you are done with your online shopping. The online transaction using Amazon. Okay, let us see how to do. Amazon is one. What is Amazon? Amazon is one of the premier online stores where you can purchase a variety of consumer goods. When you are doing through Amazon, it offers all the payment option, credit card, debit card, depends on the goods that what you are purchasing. Okay, shopping on Amazon.in. How to do? First, you need to click on Amazon.in. Then when you click on Amazon.in, it will ask you to do the sign in first. You have to sign in with your valid email ID, password or Google account or Facebook account. After that, you can find here that your account details, your orders and all the values are being displayed here. Next, you can search your products and after searching you just need to click here. Okay, you can review your product and you are ready to purchase it. Okay, browsing product catalog. Products in catalog can be sorted according to the price, reviews and popularity. You can narrow down your search on the basis of manufactured products. You can see here. Okay, according to that you can by using the category you can search. Shopping cart and wish list. Under the shopping cart and wish list, when you click on the product or its image, its feature or technical details, discount schemes, customer reviews and payment option are displayed on a new page. It is not necessary to buy the product immediately. You can add the product into wish list and uh, and review it later. Okay, viewing shopping cart and purchasing. To visit your cart, click on cart link at the top right corner, this one, and you can find out that whatever you have done as a wish list, and then you can edit by using the quantity. You can edit or you can delete the product from there as well. Okay, and you are ready to proceed to checkout button. Click continue. Then you have to select the payment option, either in EMI, net banking, cash on delivery. Select the suitable method and click continue. The OTP will be asked. You have to click on OTP and you are ready to place your order and pay. Online transaction for booking railway tickets. Okay, for that also you need to go to IRCTC account. You will ask the IRCTC account login. You have to click on login and then this type of page will be open. From where to where you want to go, you have to click the area, like you are doing the train ticket, so you have to select that which tire you want to select. Then you need to select the date as well. You have to check the availability, that whether in that particular date the available seat is available there or not, and if it is available then you need to select the seat and you are ready to book now. Okay, you after that you need to add your passenger details. Okay, like name, the age, their gender, and then the preferences also you can give, like which seat you want, lower, middle or upper seat. And some of the trains provide the lunch facility as well. Okay, so you can provide the options that you want non-veg sections or veg sections. Okay, so this all details you need to give at the time of booking and you are ready to continue book. After that it will go to the payment section and then you need to give the payment and you are ready to get the your transaction book ticket details. Okay, if the transaction is failed or anything, or if you want to cancel your ticket, you can manage all these things from your my account section. Okay, next, internet security. Internet security refers to the computer security, especially when we are doing online or internet. So what is the main basic things to secure our thing? Getting a proper antivirus software. Okay, not only that, if you have installed antivirus and you are not properly managing that antivirus, then it is of no use. So you have to manage it accordingly. The best practice for security is what you should keep your password as strong combination of letter in both cases, number and special characters. Okay, which makes the password difficult. Next, you can have the antivirus and anti-spam software whenever whenever you access like internet, it is automatically buffer, but whenever you put the pen drives or anything else, first you do the scanning, then only you open. If you open it and it will then what happens, no, it is of no use. Okay, the virus, it will be infected. Okay, so let the things should be first scanned, and then you open your hard drive or your pen drives. Okay, so this is all about your chapter. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying, any sort of threat or harassment over internet, is act of by what? Cyberbullying. How you could be able to protect your cyberbullying? Children must know that their parents and teachers are always available for them. Children must know that no matter what, parent and teachers are their first support. Children should inform their elders about any incident that sound nasty even remotely. Children must know the fact that cyberbullies are not capable to do any harm, and they can never carry out their crimes of harming. There are some malicious smartphone application as well. We should not open it. Okay, set up emergency number of instant calling. Do not use cell phone everywhere. Get rid of unwanted data. These are the safety measures you need to clear. You need to follow. Clearing data stored in browser. Okay, you please don't save your important information in your browser. Okay, so by this you could be able to save yourself from cyber or crimes, okay, or cyber bullying. Okay, thank you.